Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing high tack notes or adding a narrow 1/2 strip of double-sided tape to the pad edge. This increases contact and prevents slippage. Clean the roof area thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol so the adhesive bonds, dust and oils defeat even strong glue. Once done, press a test note for 10 seconds and hold for a minute to evaluate. If it peels, add a second 1/2 tape strip. If it sticks, proceed to place the rest using the same technique. Now you'll place notes across the roof in a methodical pattern. Angle each so the adhesive faces slightly downward to counter gravity and airflow. Press firmly and evenly for 15 to 20 seconds, rubbing outward to maximize surface contact. For added security, put a small 3 mm dab of removable adhesive like poster putty at the note center. This helps distribute shear forces. Once finished, inspect edges, make sure no corner lifts. If corners lift, press again and add another. To finish, allow the newly placed notes to set for 30 minutes and then check stability. Also recheck after any temperature change or strong air movement. If a note peels, replace it using a fresh strip of stronger double-sided tape or up to 1 or 2 tiny drops of removable craft adhesive. This increases shear strength without permanent residue. For troubleshooting, if multiple notes fail, clean the surface again and switch to a higher tack product. Make sure to store spare notes flat and dry for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.